Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we see the how to solve the numerical by using steam table. Okay, before going to this video, we go through my previous three videos. I also share the link. Okay, then and then you can understood what are the terms I used: the enthalpy of wet steam, enthalpy of dry steam, enthalpy of superheated steam. Okay, what is meant by sensible heat, latent heat? Okay, before solving the numerical on a steam table, you just go through my previous three videos. Okay, then and then you can understand the concept thoroughly. In previous lecture, I discussed how to calculate the various properties. Okay, in which one is the enthalpy. Okay, in enthalpy we discuss the three state of the water, how to calculate. In previous video I just directly go through the formulas which is required while solving this numerical. First, sensibility of water. Okay, HF we can directly take from the steam table, otherwise we can calculate MCPW, saturation temperature, Tsat, where CPW is the specific heat of water, 4.187 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Then enthalpy of wet steam, we know that enthalpy of wet steam, it is the HF plus X into HFG. You see here, enthalpy of wet steam means the steam, the condition of steam or the state in between B to D, and this is the wet region. Okay, where it is in between, that term or how to indicate is indicated by this factor, dryness fraction. Okay, how much amount of dry steam contained in 1 kg of wet steam? The value is either given or we calculate. We seen while solving the numerical. And then enthalpy of dry steam, where dryness fraction becomes 1, HF plus HFG. In last previous two videos we know that how to read this HF, HFG. So I again repeat, you must go through these previous three videos and then we start the numerical. Okay, and then enthalpy of superheated steam. While going to this region, we need first Hg, okay, and then CPS T sup minus Tsat. Okay, these are the very important formulas we need while solving the numerical. Okay, so let's start with this numerical. We take the first numerical. Step by step, are we going to increase the difficulty or the variation in the numerical? So I first take the basic property I discussed, enthalpy. So first numerical related with the enthalpy. Okay, see here the first numerical. Determine the amount of heat required. Okay, the amount of heat required, nothing but they ask determine enthalpy. Okay, should be supplied to 2 kg of water. Okay, the mass of water they given 2 kg at 25 degrees Celsius to convert into steam at 5 bar and 0.9 dry. Okay, remember these conditions. Okay, see here, initially the water given at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and that how water is converted into steam. Okay, under 5 bar. Steam under 5 bar. Then the question is that the again steam is classified is either wet steam, either it is a dry, or either it is a superheated. Okay, if you carefully read the question, they use one hint. They given dryness fraction. Okay, that is a 0.9. So they have given x is equal to 0.9. So that 25 degrees Celsius water is converted into, should be now in wet steam, because they given a dryness fraction 0.9. If you see here, see here, to convert into the steam at 5 bar, and zero point 0.9 dry, that is indicates the wet steam. So while solving the numerical, first see, initial condition of water is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and that water has to convert it. Now we know that in wet steam under 5 bar. Okay, while solving this numerical, I divide this numerical in two steps. Okay, first condition, initial water condition of water. Initially, water at 25 degree Celsius. So first I calculate already heat contained in the water. Okay, so I use the temperature basis table. Okay, I use the temperature basis table and I calculate the value of HF, the sensible heat of water at 25 degrees Celsius by using temperature basis table. That much amount of heat is already contained in the water. Now second condition is that task is that now that water is now converted into wet steam but under 5 bar pressure. Okay, now that water is now converted into wet steam under 5 bar pressure. So first now we calculate the what amount of heat required under this condition. So I use here pressure basis chart, pressure basis table. Okay, and from pressure basis table I calculate the enthalpy of wet steam by using the formula HF plus X into HFG. So by 5 bar pressure basis table I can choose the values from by using steam table HF and HFG. Okay, when you calculate this value of enthalpy of wet steam, that value given when steam is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to wet region. Okay, that answer indicates when we going to convert the 1 kg of water from 0 to wet region, but already our water at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the net heat required enthalpy of wet steam minus sensitivity of water at 25 degree Celsius. This is a structure, this is a skeleton of that numerical. So always remember, this is a very important step I am going to tell you now. Don't confuse them where to use pressure basis and temperature basis. Simple thing is that when water is given now normally at 25 degrees Celsius in the numerical, so this is necessary to first we know how much already heat content. So they given one reference that is at 25 degrees Celsius. At 25 degrees Celsius that much amount of HF is contained. I use this value from temperature table. Now that water under some condition is that under 5 bar when you're going to convert into the wet steam, what is the heat required? So I use purposefully the pressure basis table. Under that condition we need actual heat required, but answer is when we calculate this answer from 0 to wet region, but already our water in 25 degrees Celsius. So net heat is enthalpy of wet steam minus HF. So how to calculate these values? So go through the directly now the using steam table. Okay, initially we calculate from temperature basis table. I already discussed in previous videos how to use this chart. First one is the temperature basis table. Okay, in temperature basis table the water is now 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, see here. I take a pen here so you can find out the values easily. Okay, initial water at 25 degrees Celsius. I use the temperature basis table. This is the water, so I use the calculating the value, that is the HF at 25 degrees Celsius. Phase is water, so HF at 25 degrees Celsius is 104.8. This is the already heat content in a water. Okay, before task, before conditions, and that much amount of water now converted into wet region. Okay, so while calculating enthalpy of wet steam under condition under 5 bar, I use pressure basis table. So go to the table number 2. This is pressure basis table and the condition is pressure is 5 bar. See here, this is the pressure. now we can need what amount of heat required under 5 bar. So I use the formula enthalpy of wet steam under 5 bar hf plus x into hfg. So under 5 bar, okay, under 5 bar get the values. First is hf, hfg and hg. So under 5 bar we can get the value of hf. We can directly get the value of hfg is here. Okay, and we know directly the given x is equal to 0.9. So then calculate enthalpy of wet steam under 5 bar. Okay, and the net heat is we're just going to subtract. So now see the answer here. Okay, first I calculate enthalpy initial. First find out the what amount of heat contained in a water at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. So we can directly calculate from the steam table. Okay, although no need to use the formula CPW into T. Okay, this is basic fundamental formula. I already discussed M CPW into T, where M is 1 kg and CPW is a specific heat of water at constant pressure 4.18 and the temperature. You can directly calculate from the steam table. We know that. Then we calculate what amount of heat required under 5 bar to convert into wet steam. So enthalpy of wet steam under 5 bar. We know that now the how to values we taken by using the steam table, this 640 and 2107.4. We calculate the enthalpy of wet steam and the net heat is the just subtraction. This is a simple numerical. This value is for 1 kg. Okay, and they ask for 2 kg. Just multiply by 2. That kg cancel and we get 4864.52. That much amount of kilojoule of energy is now required to convert into 25 degrees Celsius water into 25 degree Celsius. Okay, so hopes you know understood this concept of the skeleton. Don't confuse between temperature basis and the pressure basis table. Okay, if you really like this video, okay, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.